So this is a Ross SparcPlug case, and as you can see back here, there is a 13W3 pass-through, and all the I/O plugs into that. And here's the actual SparcPlug module. So as you can see there, all your I/O plugs in there, your video card, just stock. It's like a TGX or something like that, S-Bus card, and your M-Bus module and RAM. Currently I have the PROM pulled out so I can, well, not the PROM, but the NVRAM. I've got it pulled out to put a new battery on it. Other than that, I believe it works. So, unfortunately, the top of the case that was on here had a giant hole cut in it, and this fan was kind of just hung in there. So I'm gonna have to work on that and maybe make some kind of new case for it with better ventilation. Anyway, that's I thought that would be interesting.